everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day and staying safe and all that fun stuff. I have an unboxing for you today. Came from the Real and comes in a box like this. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey, can you subscribe to my channel? When I reach 500, I'm having a giveaway, just to let you know. And make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, I got my blade. And then they have the import information, because when it comes from another country, they want to make sure that they get their import tax. So be aware of that. If you say you live in Canada and you're ordering something from Fashion File, Yogi's Closet, the Real, Rebag, any of the pre-love sites, you will be charged import tax, duty, customs, whatever they want to charge you, basically, along with very high shipping. So the Real has the least expensive shipping for international. Just little tip there, but they don't always have what you're looking for. So yeah, it's kind of hard. All right. Yeah, Fashion File actually has the best selection. However, their shipping is really super high, and most of their items, especially the ones that are in demand, are sometimes double the price. So just keep that in mind when you're buying pre-love. Make sure that you know your pricing, because you think it's a good deal, but it's really not. So just a little tip for you. All right, we're in. Came in some bubble wrap. Got the Real. This is the receipt. All right, and it comes in a little pouch that says the Real on it. And let's see what I got here. Okay, I got a wallet. It's a compact wallet for Fendi for my mini peekaboo. And it comes with a couple of slots right here. Like that. Yeah, pretty simple. Okay, so that's my unboxing for today. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. There's no tears or rips or anything like that, so that's going to work out perfectly in my mini peekaboo. Okay, and this is in the large Zucca print. And that's the side. Yeah, it looks like it's in pretty much new condition. It has a leather tab here with the leather inside. And then this part here is the large Zucca print with the Fendi on the little button here. And this part is in kind of like a fabric. And then this part inside here is all leather, along with the tab. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Stay safe. Bye now.